Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Supergeek and today I've got some really interesting leaks and rumors about the upcoming Android version from Google. I already did a video about upcoming features of Android 12 before. You can find that video in the I button above or in the description as well. You can check that video out too, but for now focus on this one. So Google already got rid of the desert naming scheme for Android versions since Android 10, but they still give names to Android versions every year internally as a code name. Last year, the Android 11 was named Red Velvet Cake internally, and there was even an Easter egg in Android 11 which has a hidden recipe for Red Velvet Cake. This year, Google's calling the Android 12 Snow Cone. XDA developer has done some digging to get to know about this name, and who knows, Google may bring back that desert naming scheme this year. What do you think? Do you really want that desert naming to make a comeback? Tell me in the comments, and let's move on to the another important part, the user interface. We've been looking at the almost similar user interface since Android 8.0, I guess, and we haven't seen a big overhaul in the stock user interface since then. But the story can be different this time. Google may be working on a completely new design for Android 12. Recently, some screenshots has been leaked claiming to be from Android 12, but with a complete interface overhaul. The home screen got some really nice widget system. The notification drawer got some work done too, but it looks real bad. To be very honest, that notification drawer looks like it's from an entry-level smartphone. Look at the icon spacing and all, it really looks like a really bad design. Google is also working on an advanced theming system which will let you theme the complete interface automatically using the color palette of your current wallpaper. And as you can see in this screenshot, the notification drawer and the widgets are kind of themed from the similar colors as the wallpaper. So I think it will be a really good idea for themes in Android 12. Google is also working on a redesigned lock screen which will have those device control feature right there on the lock screen. And guess who's making the comeback? The pattern lock. We all have played with the pattern lock back when there was no fingerprint or face unlock. And we all have that weird craze to set the most bizarre pattern on the pattern lock on the lock screen. But that was fun, right? Well, to be very honest, I don't think Google will bring that same pattern lock back. Google will redesign it so it will look more modern and of course to make it somewhat more secure. Moving on, Google is also working on its own one-handed mode, which lets you use the phone with one hand. If you are not familiar, a typical one-hand mode in any Android phone basically shrinks down the complete phone interface in a smaller version so you can reach the top corners easily using one hand. Almost every OEM is doing this with their custom user interface, but Google now working on one for the Android 12, so every custom UI which does not have that feature will get it with the Android 12 update. Well, I want Google to take a different approach for this one-handed mode. Like if you remember that one-handed mode from Windows 10 Mobile, I really want Google to make that kind of one-handed mode for Android 12. Now moving on to the more miscellaneous features which we may see in Android 12. So Android 12 may come with a smart auto rotate, which I don't think we need because we already have that auto rotate thing which lets you rotate the screen without enabling that annoying auto rotate feature, right? And the other miscellaneous feature is game mode, but it won't be that similar kind of game mode which you see on smartphones like OnePlus or Xiaomi, but it will be something like where the phone will disable auto brightness, enable DND and other stuff while you launch a game. It won't be something to boost the performance of the game, but a subtle feature without an actual interface or anything. So that was it guys. I think we got to know a lot about the upcoming Android version from Google, and I really hope for a big user interface overhaul on Android 12. And now you guys tell me what feature you want to see in Android 12. Post it in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.